Hello, we are back with another journal folio flip through. Here we have one that is nature themed. It's pretty thick. There's the back. I completely forgot about this. To be honest with you, I completely forgot about this. And when I pulled this out of my um out of the container that I had all my things that I've made in the past, I was like, wow, how could I forget this one? So we're just gonna flip right through. This is the first page. Pretty butterfly collage. There's going to be butterflies throughout this whole folio. And, sorry, book page collage on the side, a flower, more butterflies, and has a little tape to make it look like little specimens. On this side, there's just this dangle here with some fabric that has moths printed on it. Just some random fiber strings. A cute little butterfly charm. And this one is a shrinky dink charm, I believe. And I just stamped on it. And it's just of a bird. And on this side, we have a nice little pocket area with some journaling cards. Just coffee, tea dyed, and there's some flower stickers. And those just go here. And then this flips open. We have this beautiful picture of I believe this is a blue jay. Can't really tell, but there's lace up here. Over here's more journaling cards. More of that bug fabric. It's really pretty. I don't know. I think I got this from a pack of just like random scraps from Tuesday morning. And they're just held here with a arrow paper clip. And then around the edges of this page, there's some stamping and inking and more of the flower stickers. I think I got those from either Amazon, Shein, or maybe even Temu. It flips closed here. And then you flip open this page. There's more collage. I believe these are Dollar Tree butterfly stickers. And then up here, we have a pocket with some journaling paper. Can't get it back in. Okay. There you go. And we have this page. I love these mushroom stickers. I love them so much. They're so pretty. And this opens here. Nice little corner collage. Just took some of the paper pad and just ripped it and inked it and added it to the sides of this. I think that's really nice. Then we have this middle page, which has two little pockets or tucks here. Some journaling cards. This one. This is what the back looks like. In the middle, there's this nice little dangle. More of that fabric with the bugs on it. Over in this pocket here, more journaling paper. Journaling cards. And then this is how it looks over here. I love this paper. So pretty. Here's this page. More of those stickers. This flips here. And it also flips open this way. And then there's more journaling cards this way. Lots of collaging, lots of mushrooms. More journaling cards. And then on this side, looks like I actually cut out some of the paper and glued it to make a pocket. And we have a nice little, small little journaling card here. And then the ones that look like this are from, excuse me, are from the paper pad. But, love that. And then here's an envelope journaling card. Just sealed up the envelope, distressed it, added a cute little chipboard flower. I think this is Tim Holtz. Some washi tape. And so you can write on the back. And those go right in here. And then here we have a little swing here. We're using a brad. There's a little collage back here. More butterflies. This is a little journaling tag. Just tucks there. And then this side opens up here. Then we go over to this side. More cards attached with brads. More collaging. This is another flip out pocket here. And then we have an altered library pocket with an altered library card for journaling. Here's some more journaling cards. And then a tuck spot in the back with more journaling. And of course, more butterflies. And then here, another altered library pocket with a library card. Cute little butterfly cutout. More mushrooms. I think this is like, what is this, journaling paper? Yes, this has owls on it. I thrifted this stationery set from the thrift store. I just thought it would go perfect in this journal. And then this side flips out as well. And here we just have a nice big paper clip. And we got butterfly cutout. Some journaling space here with a flower sticker, and then more journaling cards and journaling paper. I believe this is coffee dyed or tea dyed paper. And then that's the back of that. Slide that back there. This here is a blank side. And if we flip it back over, have more flower stickers and collaging, washi tape, and here's a pocket. More tea dyed, coffee dyed paper. Probably tea dyed since it's so light. And then we have this envelope here, and inside the envelope, there are actually some vintage postcards. So yeah. Put these back in there. Close that up. We'll stick this like this. And yeah, that is the end of this nature inspired journal. It's so beautiful. I love it. I honestly would hate to part with it, but it's been in my tote forever. So apparently I wasn't too set on keeping it. I just made it and put it away. But I really love this. I think this will be great to go to a new home for someone else to enjoy it. So I'm definitely going to get this listed on my Etsy. If anyone's interested, they can go on there to purchase it. But yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.